Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on WhatsApp. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on WhatsApp, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of WhatsApp and you click here in this page. Then this list of app unfold, we click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.